Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you Lenovo Thinkpad E14 speaker not working or the sound problem. So in Lenovo Thinkpad E14, if you are facing the speaker or the sound issue, I will tell you how to fix it. So what you have to do is to follow all the steps, watch complete video, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's watch it.